In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of data analysis, but we'll start with understanding what data itself means and how organizations use data to make decisions. You also learn how to work with data in a spreadsheet using Microsoft Excel, which is one of the most widely used tools for data analysis in business today. By the end of this course, you should be able to define data and variables, read and understand tabular data in a spreadsheet, distinguish between structured and unstructured data, and also differentiate between qualitative and quantitative data. To make this concept practical, we'll use a real-world case study throughout this course, and the data set we'll be working with is called the HR Employee Attrition Data Set that contains information about employees in a made-up company called NovaCare Health. So in our scenario, the company wants to understand the pattern in employee attrition. So remember that attrition refers to employees that leave a company due to resignation or retirement. Throughout this course, we may also refer to attrition as employees quitting or leaving the company, so take note of that. Just like every real data analysis project, the case study is driven by business questions that executives and decision makers would like to get answers to. So by the end of this course, you'll be able to provide answers to questions such as: what was the employee attrition rate last year and over the past 5 years? Are there specific times of the year when employees are most likely to leave? Or how effective has our company bonus policies been in retaining employees? Which of our employees are most likely to quit? And most importantly, what strategies can help the company to retain more employees? So these are the business questions that will guide our analysis as we progress along the course.